up guys, thank you for watching another video. Today is gonna be a really sick video. I've been waiting for this day for a very long time, and I know a lot of you guys have too. But as you guys seen in the title and thumbnail, today the E92 is getting new wheels. Finally, a set of wheels that are mine. I'm not borrowing them. They're not my friends. They're gonna be my wheels. So as you guys know, I've been looking for wheels for a very long time for this car. I don't know which ones to get. You guys know I love BBS wheels. I love work wheels. I love all these like sick three-piece wheel brands that I've always wanted to do. I always talk about them in my vlogs. And finally, I found a set that I love. They're so freaking wide. They're perfectly spec'd to the E92. And they're the perfect color. Everything's perfect about them. I love them. I can't wait to put them on the car. I can't wait to see them on the car. You guys have seen these wheels in the vlogs before. They're on my friend's car right now and I'm buying them off of him. Right when I get them, I'm gonna have someone detail the heck out of them, ceramic coat them, make them look brand new again. These things are freaking amazing. So everybody, please smash the like button right now. Subscribe to your boy. If you're not already, please hit that subscribe button. So we're on our way to LA. Gonna pick up the wheels, put them on the car, see how they look. Maybe have a little photo shoot or something. I don't know. It is dark outside, but I'm gonna try to make a full vlog for you guys. So let's go. Damn. Is that what I think it is? A lime rock in the wild? Bro, what are you? What's up, compa? ¿Dónde morro?
My dad's like, somebody's here.
What's up, Kevin?
Dude,
I'm scared.
or what?
No, I'm scared actually.
Why?
I don't know, I'm nervous. I don't know if I'm ready. I missed my 4 stars already, bro. Guys, I've had these black 4 stars for like maybe 3 years now. I think it's time for a change. I need to change it up. You need to change it up.
It's time for me to buy them, huh?
Bro, you need to do something. If you guys think Kevin should buy these for his car, let him know. Go comment on his Instagram.
I need them, huh?
Yes.
And I need you.
We made it. You guys recognize where we are? Oh shit. We made it to Masterminds. Bro, I need that to vlog.
Yeah, for it, bro.
Like this. Oh, it's a little too bright.
Nicolás,
Hola.
¿qué onda?
Qué bueno.
¿Cómo estás, güey?
Bien, bien. ¿Y tú?
Good.
Did you meet up with the guy?
There's a bunch of Spanish going on in this vlog already. And by the way, I do not speak not a single word in Spanish. Maybe hola, and that's about it. But anyways, we just made it here to Morrow's house. His chrome freaking M3 is out here. I haven't seen your taillights.
Oh, you haven't seen them? Dude, I'm sorry it's so dirty.
Wow. Those are different. I think you're the only one with those, huh?
Yeah, dude, I'm getting so many questions on where I get them.
That's crazy. What is it, custom?
No, dude. They're from eBay.
Damn. They suit your car, bro. I think you're the only car that would suit it. Oh, it's raining.
This is what I meant.
Mario told me to come another day, but I couldn't wait.
Oh my god.
Bro, I want wheels. The wheels are right there.
Kevin, no turning back now, bro.
No. What you think, Kevin?
They're fire, dude.
You think it's gonna look sick?
Big difference, yeah.
Bro. Okay, guys, I'm about to show you. These are the wheels that are gonna go on the car.
Yeah, those.
Parked for a very long time. Here they are. Is it off the bike or what? Oh my god. Okay, here are the new wheels. Work equips, bro. Aren't these Japanese wheels?
Yeah.
On a Euro car? Damn, some JDM on the M3. Fully polished, everything. Literally is polished. It's just gonna look insane. And they're freaking wide, bro. I don't know if you guys can notice, but these lips are super wide. This is the rear. The front is just as wide.
The front is what most of the M's have in the rear.
Mm-hmm.
The 10.5.
Oh shit. So yeah, the front's gonna be super wide. I'm scared I'm gonna mess up my fenders, bro.
What up?
These are super wide.
What up?
I like your jacket.
What up, G? What's up, man?
Damn. Bro, these are gonna look so sick. I can't wait. Fully polished too. Everything is polished. Bro, this is literally the color I've always wanted to do. I've always talked about red on polished, and I'm finally gonna do it. And here's the front. Bro, the fronts are so wide. You can kind of get an idea of how it's gonna look. Look at this. Oh my god, bro.
Where? The ring.
This shit is gonna be crazy. Bro, they're gonna be wide, huh?
So wide. No space in the back. The 12.
Damn, dude. My car's gonna look completely different.
This one.
Woo. I can't wait to air out. It's gonna be scary though. I don't want to mess up my fenders. Crazy, dude.
Remember my words.
What?
Wow, bro.
I have 1980.
Guys, we had to adjust the camber too. So we added more camber in the front. Just to make this shit fit, because it's super wide.
No. He's good.
Bro, don't make me break it.
Go slow, go slow, go.
You can't break the forward
Go.
panel.
Damn, damn. Go. Keep going. Keep going.
Bro.
Keep going. It's tucking, dude.
Bro. Damn, that looks hard. Bro.
Damn, all over Sebas. All over Sebas.
Yo.
Damn.
Nick, come look.
What the fuck? It fit in there perfect or
It
no?
fit in there perfect.
Oh my
I
god.
don't know, bro. That's scary, huh?
Look, hold on.
Dude, this looks. Ooh, that looks so good.
Bro, that's hard. That's really nice, dude.
Wow. How do you like it?
Your flashlight.
No. Oh my gosh.
Nick.
Dude, it fits perfect now.
Bro, that's fine.
Let me see.
Hey, we should roll the fenders.
Oh my gosh.
Do I run it tucked or do I do lift the fender?
I say do that flush look, dude.
I know, I like that too.
Where
Bro,
the
it's so
lip
sick.
sits on the fender.
Yeah, I don't know yet. We might do the lifted fender or tucked. I don't know yet.
No.
But
It's good.
at least it tucks.
It's good.
It's sick.
And I'm sorry I'm saying this, Sebas. Dude, this has a better fitment than yours.
Sebastian, dang. Let me show you guys Sebastian's car real quick. This is how Sebastian's rear looks. Exactly like mine. They're gonna look the same.
Damn.
Look how sick that looks. Bro, it actually looks badass
I
tuck.
like it a lot.
Bro,
Like, I like the tuck look, but I also like the
No, I like the
fitment.
tuck a lot.
Lush. I don't know how perfectly it could have gone.
It's okay, bro. I got you.
Okay, now the front I'm scared because look how wide this shit is.
I think.
Probably fine there.
I think that's it. Yeah, low key. I think that's it.
Stop right there.
Oh my.
Alright, we finally got it all dialed in. I think this is gonna be the front fitment. Maybe even go down a little more.
You could go down a little.
Bro, I think if I just let it air out, it'll pop down.
Let me see.
But I'm scared. No, I don't want to break my fender. I think it's low enough. I don't know. It freaking looks badass from this angle.
It looks so good, dude.
And I raised it up a little on the rear. I'm probably gonna add like, what if I add like a little spacer maybe? I don't know. We'll figure the fitment out later. But right now, I'm happy exactly how it looks, bro. This shit is insane.
Bro, congrats.
I know, bro. I'm so freaking hyped. All I want to do now, I think I want to put red caps. Red center caps to match the red.
Yeah.
And then it'll be done. Alright guys, they're on. All four of them. Right now it's lifted all the way up, but they look freaking sick. Finally, the E92 has some polished wheels. Damn, bro. This looks completely different. A whole different car, bro. It's all the way aired up right now. It's very dark out here, but I think we're gonna go to a car wash, even though it's raining, and wash the car because the car is very dirty and I want to see the car like clean. All right guys, I don't know. Oh, there actually is other people here washing their car while it's raining. I was about to say I'm the only person washing my car in the rain. All right, we made it to the gas station. A little bit of light now. Fuck, bro, these wheels look so good. You gonna wash it? Yeah, sick ass Kevin. I think it needs a cinematic, bro. Hold on. Pause. God, bro. I think I got the hardest E92 M3. I'm sorry, Kevin. Bro, holy shit.
It looks so good.
This is literally what I've always wanted to do. Red on polished wheels, and I'm so freaking happy. Finally, bro. It looks so clean. I can't wait till you guys are able to see this car in person. I'm not even joking, like it might be the cleanest E92 M3 I've ever seen. This is literally all I needed. The car is complete. Damn, Air is hooking me up. Woo! That shit's gonna look crazy. This made me fall all in love with the car again. Oh, for some reason, polished wheels make everything else pop. Like the headlights pop more for some reason, which is weird. Like you could notice the blacked out headlight now. You could notice the roll cage in there. I don't know. It looks freaking sick. I'm obsessed with how it looks.
You've had the black for so long and now
dude, I've had the black for like 3 years.
It pops, it wakes up.
Guys, comment down below please right now. Let me know what you guys think of the new wheels, the new style, everything. Work equips. You know these are JDM wheels?
Huh?
You know these are JDM wheels, right?
Yeah, dude.
On a BMW? No one really does that. I've always mentioned I want a fat polished lip, and look how big this shit is. It's the size of my hand.
You think you can sit in there?
You probably could. Guys, look, it's already starting to rain. I just dried the car and it's starting to rain. I don't care. I wanted to see it clean so bad and I got to see it. This car is freaking perfect. Oh my God, bro. I think it's just way louder than mine. He's crazy. There's helicopters around here. Look at this one right there. Oh, there is a cop. I told you, dude.
So right now we're at the gas station. Damn, look at this lighting right here. Chill, bro. You're so excited. Those two guys freaked out on the ATM. Damn, look how it looks rolling. Oh my God. Let me get the front. Let me get the front. Damn. The wheel shines so much. Oh my, bro, you guys have the... Aren't you guys scared of tickets with these pops? No. Oh my God. Dude, they're like fireworks, bro. Hey, the car rolling looks so good. Yeah, it's like shining. It's like shining, bro. Like, it's like diamonds on your wheel.
Alright guys, just got done eating dinner with the homies. Now I'm on my way back home. I'm very late. It's like almost 1 in the morning and I'm still over here in North Hollywood. I still need to go home and edit this video and post it for you guys in the morning. It's freaking pouring outside. It's all messed up right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I hope you guys love these wheels as much as I do. I freaking love these wheels. They suit the car perfectly and they're like everything I've wanted in a wheel. It's perfect. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to your boy if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26.